Solanki Brothers Council for Open and Distance Learning, SBCODL. Empowering learners, enriching lives. Founded in 2022, the Solanki Brothers Council for Open and Distance Learning, SBCODL, is an autonomous and pioneering educational council established as a Section 8 non-profit entity under the Companies Act of India. Officially registered with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and recognized by the Niti Aayog, Government of India, Unique ID, App 2024-04149171, SBCODL also holds MSME registration, UDYAMUP 25003415, and is approved for tax exemptions under Sections 12A and 80G of the Income Tax Act, supporting its philanthropic mission. Headquartered in Farrukhabad, Uttar Pradesh, SBCODL is dedicated to democratizing education by offering accessible, inclusive, and technology-enabled learning through flexible open and distance education programs. It addresses educational barriers and provides quality learning opportunities to students regardless of geographic, social, or economic limitations. Vision: to become a globally recognized institution in open and distance education, empowering learners through innovative, affordable, and inclusive learning and contributing to a more just and educated world. Mission: to ensure access to quality education for all, irrespective of location or socioeconomic status. To deliver globally benchmarked programs emphasizing knowledge, skills, and ethical values. To integrate digital and interactive pedagogy for greater engagement and retention. To build international partnerships that elevate academic standards. To promote lifelong learning aligned with the global workforce and 21st century skills. Legal status and governance. SBCODL operates with robust institutional governance aligned with national and international standards. Registered as a Section 8 company, non-profit. Niti Aayog registered, Up 2024-04149171. MSME registered, UDYAMUP 25003415. 12A or 80G certified for donor tax benefits. Compliant with all Indian statutory educational norms. Operates as an independent educational council, not a traditional school or college. Educational philosophy and pedagogy. SBCODL believes that every learner is capable when provided with the right tools.